Good evening, parents. Thank you for joining me today to discuss raising resilient kids who never give up. As parents, we all want our children to grow up to be confident, capable, and resilient adults who can handle life's ups and downs. And one key trait that can help our kids achieve this is resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks, adapt to change, and thrive in the face of adversity. Resilience is a crucial skill that can help our children navigate life's challenges with ease. It enables them to learn from their mistakes and failures, to persevere through difficult times, and to develop the confidence and resilience they need to achieve their goals and fulfill their potential. However, building resilience is not an easy task, and it requires a concerted effort on the part of parents. But there are some key strategies that parents can use to help their children develop resilience. Creating a supportive and nurturing environment is one of the most important strategies for building resilience. As parents, we need to be there for our children when they need us, offer them encouragement and praise for their successes, and provide them with a safe space to explore their emotions and feelings. This creates a foundation of trust and support that can help our children develop the confidence and resilience they need to face challenges. In addition to creating a supportive environment, we can also help our children develop resilience by fostering a growth mindset. This means encouraging our children to view setbacks and failures as opportunities for learning and growth, rather than as sources of shame or discouragement. We can help our children develop this mindset by praising their efforts and hard work, rather than just their achievements, and by modeling a positive and optimistic outlook on life. By sharing our own stories of overcoming challenges or setbacks, and demonstrating how we have learned from these experiences to become stronger and more resilient, we can inspire our children to adopt this mindset. Perseverance and grit are also essential components of resilience. Kids who learn to stick with a task even when it's difficult, and who persist in the face of setbacks, are better equipped to handle the challenges that life throws their way. As parents, we can help our kids develop these traits by setting achievable goals, providing support and guidance along the way, and celebrating their progress and successes. When our children see the rewards of their hard work, they are more likely to persevere through difficult times. Teaching our children healthy coping skills is also crucial for building resilience. Activities like exercise, reading, creative expression, or spending time in nature can help kids regulate their emotions, reduce stress and anxiety, and develop a sense of self-efficacy. These activities can also provide a healthy outlet for their emotions, allowing them to express themselves in a safe and productive way. In addition to these strategies, it's essential to encourage our kids to take on challenges and stretch their comfort zones. When our kids take on new tasks or try things that they find difficult, they are building their resilience muscles. It's important to be there to support them, but also to give them enough space to learn and grow from their experiences. Moreover, it's essential to focus on the positive. Instead of dwelling on the negatives, we can help our kids focus on the things that are going well in their lives. By doing so, we can help them build a sense of gratitude and positivity, which can in turn help them develop the resilience they need to handle challenges. Finally, it's important to remember that resilience is not a one-time achievement but an ongoing process. Building resilience is a lifelong journey, and our kids will face many challenges and setbacks along the way. It's our job as parents to support them through these challenges and to help them develop the skills and strategies they need to navigate life's ups and downs. One of the key components of building resilience is creating a sense of purpose and meaning in our children's lives. When kids have a sense of purpose, they are more likely to feel motivated and engaged in life, and they are better equipped to handle setbacks and challenges. As parents, we can help our children develop a sense of purpose by encouraging them to explore their interests and passions, and by helping them identify their values and goals. We can also teach our children to be more self-aware, which is another important aspect of building resilience. When our kids are self-aware, they are better able to understand their emotions, thoughts, and behaviors, and to make healthy choices that support their well-being. By encouraging our children to reflect on their experiences and to recognize their strengths and weaknesses, we can help them develop the self-awareness they need to build resilience. Another important strategy for building resilience is to teach our kids effective problem-solving skills. When our children are able to identify problems, brainstorm solutions, and evaluate the effectiveness of their choices, they are better equipped to handle challenges and setbacks. As parents, we can help our children develop these skills by asking open-ended questions, encouraging them to think critically, and providing them with opportunities to practice problem-solving in real-life situations. It's also important to teach our kids how to develop healthy relationships with others. When our children have strong relationships with family, friends, and other adults, they are more likely to feel supported and connected, and they are better equipped to handle stress and adversity. As parents, we can help our children develop these relationships by modeling healthy communication and conflict resolution skills, and by providing them with opportunities to interact with others in positive ways. In addition, it's essential to encourage our children to develop a sense of resilience and independence. When our kids are able to take risks, make decisions, and handle challenges on their own, they are better equipped to handle the challenges of life. By gradually increasing our children's responsibilities and allowing them to make their own choices, we can help them develop the resilience and independence they need to succeed. Finally, it's important to remember that building resilience is a process that takes time, effort, and patience. As parents, we need to be patient and supportive as our children learn and grow, and we need to be prepared to offer guidance and encouragement when they face challenges and setbacks. By building a strong foundation of support, love, and resilience in our children's lives, we can help them develop the skills and strengths they need to navigate life's ups and downs with confidence and ease. In conclusion, raising resilient kids who never give up requires a concerted effort on the part of parents. We can help our children develop resilience by creating a supportive and nurturing environment, fostering a growth mindset, encouraging perseverance and grit, teaching healthy coping skills, encouraging them to take on challenges and stretch their comfort zones, focusing on the positive, creating a sense of purpose and meaning, teaching effective problem-solving skills, developing healthy relationships, and encouraging independence and resilience. By using these strategies, we can help our children become confident, capable, and resilient adults who can handle whatever life throws their way.